Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Fairfield County, western Hocking County, southeastern Pickaway County, northeastern Ross County, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:48 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Logan Elm Village, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Circleville, Kingston, Hocking Hills State Park, Logan Elm Village, Fox, Stoutsville, Laurelville, Adelphi, Tarleton, the West Marion State Park, Buena Vista in the Hocking County, Gibbesville, Whistler, South Bloomingville, Clearport, Pickaway County Airport, State Route 138 at US Route 22, Rockbridge and Hallsville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Muskegon County until 1:30 a.m. At 12:49 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Perry State Forest, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, New Concord, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Philo, Pleasant Grove, Fultonham, Norwich, Campbellville, Chandlersville, Bridgeville, Duncan Falls. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 147 and 170. The severe thunderstorm warning for